Hey guys, my name's Jamin. Thanks so much for visiting my channel. In this video, I have a Lenovo Ideapad Gaming 3 laptop. I'm going to show you how to get in to access your CMOS battery. This will be helpful if you need to replace it because it died, or if you're trying to reset BIOS manually by temporarily unplugging your CMOS battery. So first thing guys, power down your computer the correct way. Make sure it's off and unplugged from your charger. We're going to flip it over to access our bottom case screws. Now, before we can get at our screws, guys, there's actually two screws on this side in the back of your laptop you have to unscrew first. And then you take a small, flat, preferably plastic pry tool. I say plastic because it'll scratch your computer less than a metal one. But then you're going to go along this seam right here and pry off this panel from your computer. Once that panel is removed, it will reveal this part of your computer, which has a couple screws that we've got to get at to take this bottom case off. To take the bottom case off, you would undo all of these screws, and then you would use that same flat pry tool to go along the seam of your bottom case and gently but firmly pry your bottom case up from your computer. After you've gotten your bottom case up, this is what you're looking at for the inside of your computer. Now, before touching anything inside a computer, guys, I always either remove or unplug my battery. It just makes the computer safer because there's less power running through it, less chance to damage things. Your battery is right here. It's held in by 4 screws. If you want to physically remove your battery, if you want to simply unplug it, this is the battery plug right there. That black plug that goes into the metal port, you would pull this plug down toward the battery to unplug it. Okay, so now that the battery is unplugged, we can proceed further into the computer. This right here, guys, this is your CMOS battery, the small battery next to the big battery. This is your CMOS battery. It's wrapped in black electrical tape and it's stuck on by double-sided tape. So if you want to physically replace it, you can just pop that off. It's not screwed down or anything. And then it plugs into the motherboard right here. Now that plug, again, just like the large battery, we don't pull on the wires. There's a white plug and you can get your fingernails maybe or a pry tool on either side of those grips and jimmy that out of that port right there. Now, if you're here to manually reset BIOS, guys, you would just leave that unplugged for 15-20 seconds. That should be sufficient to reset your BIOS settings. If you guys want to replace this, I'll have a link above. Also below in the description, it'll give you a list of tools needed to get into this computer, but also all the replacement and upgrade parts for this model. So that, guys, is how you would access your CMOS battery in the Lenovo Ideapad Gaming 3. If you have any questions, also check out down below in the description the FAQs. That could save you some time looking for an answer. If you do need to leave me a question or comment, please feel free. I do try to get to those a couple times a day at least. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I look forward to seeing you on my next video.